It doesn't matter if you run a well-established business or you are managing a startup. It doesn't matter how much of a budget you're working with. Like it or not, and believe it or not, the main way you can make people become aware of your company's brand and eventually consume the products or services your company offers is through advertising. Free advertising doesn't exist. Let's put it this way. You can't be in two places at once. If you're spending all this time and effort trying to brand and promote your business the free way, what if you did something else that produces 10 times the result? You cannot ignore Facebook ads. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Why choose Facebook ads? The basics you need to know before creating your first Facebook ad campaign. How does Facebook's ad system operate? How to get started on your Facebook ad marketing campaign. Create your Facebook page and account. Use the Facebook Ads Manager. Create a Facebook advertising campaign. Create your ad. Monitor your campaign carefully. Effective Facebook advertising tips and ideas. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually produce 10 times better results with Facebook ads. Who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to produce 10 times better results with traffic generation. You want to learn Facebook advertising the right way. You want to leverage the highly sophisticated social snooping and personal profiling technology Mark Zuckerberg brought to the table. You want to figuratively get in the head of your target audience. You want to show ads that match the concerns, fears, and needs of your target audience. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your next question is how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today.
We're so sure of this that we are offering you up to 70% off of all of them. It's a deal of a lifetime and only available for today only. Yes, we believe in our products and want you to be absolutely happy with them. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below and grab your verified coupon code right now before it expires. We'll see you on the inside.